Module 5, where we are going to discuss about how to translate vague requirements. This is a kind of a superpower for an admin. You will get many vague requirements from stakeholder. Example could be, we need to track customer satisfaction better. We want to make the sales process smoother. Build a dashboard that shows everything important. Then automate our follow-up process. The admin nightmare is, where do you even start? What does better mean? Who is affected? What's the actual goal? Those all informations are missing. Because of this, going forward, without clarity, cost you. Wrong solution, it leads to rework. Stakeholder get frustrated, and you as an admin lose trust. The AI solution is using Claude. You can generate 12 clarifying questions in 30 seconds, send them to your stakeholder, get the clarity. This single skill makes you 3 times more valuable as an admin. Let me show you how. This is the admin superpower prompt. This one belongs in your prompt library permanently. It tells Claude to act as a senior business analyst. It takes the vague request and then generates 12 clarifying questions, which covers specific criteria, edge cases, personas, reporting, access, timeline, integrations, and data volume. Hidden assumptions in the request, 5 user stories in the standard format, recommended next step, stakeholders to involve. Use this on every vague request that you receive. Let's do a live demo. Take, for example, we get a vague request. We need to track customer satisfaction better. Next, I will make use of Claude Superpower with our prompt to see what Claude generates. So let's first copy paste the vague requirement. Let's go back to Claude. Let's paste this. Go back to our presentation. Let's copy this. So over here, in our prompt, we are going to replace the vague request. And now let's see what Claude generate for us. So Claude has generated clarifying question for us. It has given us the edge cases. It has told us the personas, reporting and access. Then it says better employees current tracking exists. Satisfaction is something like survey response. Then it gives us the 5 user stories. It tells us the next steps also. And it also tells us who all are the stakeholders which we feel shall be involved in this particular requirement development. So this is something that you can read through, you can understand, you can share with your stakeholder, and then get a clarity. Now, you would have seen that using the prompt gives you a lot of clarity. Such other examples that I have seen is make opportunity reporting better, or it could be help us track partner relationship. It could be very simple as improve our onboarding process. So any kind of vague requirement you get in future, Just open the Claude, use the admin superpower prompt, paste your real request, get 12 questions, assumption and user stories, and then send those questions to your stakeholder. This skill makes you 3 times more valuable. Just try to use it whenever you get a vague requirement. So, module 5 is done now. There were 3 career multiplying skills which we learned. Document anything in 5 minutes, generate 3 user training formats from one prompt, translate any vague request into clarity. Time save per week realistically almost 8 to 9 hours. That's more than a full work day every week. Coming up in module 6 is a capstone. We are going to apply everything learned in a 5 minute challenge that proves how transformed your workflow is.